It's the morning after the night before. Let's go check out this car. Had a quick look at it in the dark, but let's see what's wrong with it. Well, we'll see what we can see in the trailer anyhow. Start with no bonnet pin points the same direction. Just taking the nose cone out when the wheels hit it. This looks like this for some reason. Side looks okay. And there we go. Just pushed all that. Bent that, pushed all the radiator back into the motor just, probably wrecked the fan, wrecked the radiator. Engine mount doesn't look snapped or anything. This is all bent up, this is all bloody new in the off season. Broke all this. Bar fell at the bottom of that. Underneath, smashed all this up here that the radiator sits on. There's a few off the sump missing. It's possibly an oil leak, which is a bit ominous. We have to get that there to check that out. And down the back here, I noticed last night, lay in the mud for this one, is, oh, can you see it in the dark? The tail shaft is bent. See a massive kink in it there. So we'll check out the gearbox, get it off the trailer, see if it's damaged the gearbox. There we go, we've got a skid mark on our wheel well, with a dent on the wheel well. It's been hit, yeah, it was like a whole wheel with an upright, a hub, the whole deal on it. The guy's ball joints broke out. So, yeah, there's a video online, so I'm going to try and get the video later and post it on here. But for now, that's just a quick update about how we ended up. So it's not ideal, it's the off season there. Had a few jobs I was going to fix on the car, but we'll see what we can do, as well as what we've wrecked. So yeah, as always, don't forget to like the video, make any comments, send me any Falcon parts that you got, and subscribe to the channel. Right, it's just a quick update, and I'll get some more. I've got some in-car videos from the weekend, and a bit of stuff from around the pit, so we'll get some more videos up later today or over the next few days. Right, thanks for checking us out.